Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm in the mood to experiment a little bit. I did tape this, I don't know, cup in this zigzag way. Where is the... See? This is just those... I don't know, a tape. Hope that it will last, it will not peel off, and I'm kind of wondering what will happen if I do flip and drag or something with this, if this will make any difference. I don't know. So let's see. I will pour a little bit of white on the bottom, and next will be some Diox purple, and I have some, no, I don't want magenta here because I'm afraid that it will be too pink because there is white. This is metallic cobalt blue, and let's add this magenta next. And now it's synced down, so it should be probably some pink there. This is permanent red violet. This is my pearl white mixture and greenish blue. And I have a little bit of Descartes Extreme Sheen Aquamarine left. I just, whoop, add this in. Okay. Let's add Diox purple again. Maybe I should do a straight pour, not a flip cup, I don't know. And some magenta again. I think that this magenta is a little thinner than others, I don't know. Because they are mostly leftovers and sometimes you have thinner paints, so I don't know. We will see. If you don't try, you don't know. Let's add this greenish blue again. Yep. If you are new to my channel, I like to experiment and play with the paint, you know. Of the white. Let's add a little purple here and here. Red violet, I should say. Magenta. I don't have any color left. Just magenta and white, pearl white. So let's add some pearl white here too. I have only 8 by 12 inch canvas, so it should be enough paint. So let's stick with the plan. I will do a flip cup. And maybe if you are interested, we can try a straight pour or something next time. I will just grab my canvas. Okie doke. I will leave this for a second. I will just start to release some paint just to see what is going on. I don't know if there is any difference, but hey. I will add some white around here just to have some flow extender. Torch! I definitely don't like that white part, so I will tear off that part. Some cool effects from the pearl white, of course, because it creates some cells. I have a ton of paint on my surface that I can scrape off and use it for another project. Let's torch this once more. There for a second. Not a masterpiece, definitely. But when you experiment, sometimes you have to, you know, just see and watch and learn and try to figure out. There is some beautiful stuff in here, but I'm not mad about this part at all. This creature here is just weird. Just see if I can get rid a little bit of this guy here. It's just not. Just playing with my composition right now. Try to get something nice out of it, maybe. I kind of like this part there, but not fan of this part here, so. Yeah, much better now that I get rid of that magenta spot there, I think. Okay. I will leave it. Definitely those taped thing didn't do much, I think. Weird, I said definitely and then I think, but because I'm not sure, but I think that there is no difference. Maybe if I do a straight pour or something, but kind of like this here, so I'm happy with the result anyway, and I will have some paint to do. I don't know, another experiment. Maybe I will just grab this and pour it into transparent base and see what will happen. So let me take you down for a close-up. So it's a nice painting at the end. Some really nice effects. See, those cells are from pearl white and that aquamarine extreme sheen. This transparency and gradients are just beautiful, and I'm glad that I get rid of that right corner at the bottom with that magenta. So I'm happy. It kind of gives me a galactic vibes. I don't know why. Yeah, so experiment, I don't know what to say, but I have a nice little painting. Okay, so here she is dry. It's a nice looking painting, but the the tape thing didn't make any change, I think. Sometimes I just want to try some, I don't know, ideas. I see a unicorn or something here. Do you see him? But I love the transparency here and all these cells, and it looks to me like I don't know, an ocean or something, and the sky, night sky, I don't know, it's kind of cute little painting for my taste. Okay, so this is it for today, and see you again on the next one. Bye!